I want to leave that and talk about the eligibility issue. Basically, the issue that I want to talk about is the issue that Bwana Paul Monga brought up. Bwana Paul Monga came up and he said PF knows that there are some judges who are targeted by the opposition, that they want to sponsor them, they want to corrupt, they want to bribe them so that they can rule in favor of against President Edgar Lungu. I am not going to waste my time, arguing about once, twice, and whatever. I'm not going to waste my time on that. The Constitution has clearly ruled on that. And those of you who cannot understand what has been written by the Constitutional Court, sorry, I can't help you. It is in black and white. It is in black and white. When you talk about, having sworn, that is in the old constitutions. The new constitution is actually saying, a president can go up to 13 years. It is very, very clear. So I'm not going to waste my time on those technicalities. I have actually done an article before, where I was talking about Article 106 and whatever. But all what is being talked about now, it's nothing but politics. It's nothing but politics. But John Sangwa is not acting in the interest of this nation. But John Sangwa is acting in his own interests. He wants to make himself relevant. He wants to make himself relevant. But John Sangwa, is an old, hungry lion. An old, hungry lion, which, has got no food and it wants to survive. If John Sangwa stops talking about presidential eligibility, what is his job? What is he going to be doing? What is he going to be doing? His businesses are not so successful. He is battling with loans in his businesses. His law firm, he had one big client, Rajan Matani and Finance Bank. Ever since these people had went down, he's also down. Yes, they were doing fine before, but now John Sangwa is nowhere. John Sangwa is nowhere. And John Sangwa is not happy that President Edgar Lungu is in power, because John Sangwa is part of the cartel that never wanted Edgar Chagwa Lungu. John Sangwa is part of the cartel that never wanted Edgar Chagwa Lungu to take over from the late Michael Sata. That cartel, Musa Mwenya, who went and grabbed power from Edgar Lungu. When Sata had left in power, Sata knew why he left Edgar Lungu to act at the time when he was very sick. He knew very well. He knew that I might not come back. And he wanted somebody sober. And God guided him to choose Edgar Chagwa Lungu. And indeed it happened. When he died, Guy Scott, Musa Mwenye, Navambi Bakateo, they ganged up together and they said no. Article 52 kachingani article shanida wale kicks in. Guy Scott takes over. They grabbed power from Edgar Chagwa Lungu. They grabbed power. They couldn't take it. They said, no, this guy, Uyuwa Shishitefi, Uyuwa Taradilefi, he can't be the president. They grabbed power from him. It was a cartel. So this fight that John Sangwa is doing now, started a long time. It is a cartel. It is a cartel that has never accepted Edgar Chagwa Lungu as president. They grabbed power from him. But when God has chosen you, when Jesus says yes, nobody can say no. President Edgar Lungu got back power. And from that time, they have never accepted. They have never rested. The cartel has never rested. Hello? Is anybody there? Hello? Sorry. Can I give me my shirt? So the cartel has never rested. The cartel has ever been fighting Edgar Chagwa Lungu. And God has always been on his side. God has always been on his side. It's only God. Because by Edgar Lungu really, nama strategies tapawa sana now. Let tuiwe pobu. By Edgar Lungu nama strategies tapawa sana. You know, tawa crooked by Edgar Lungu. Why you are too straightforward. By Edgar Lungu, why you are too straightforward. So some of these things, you know, balafilo kuchita perform. But God has been on his side. Edgar Lungu cannot lie, or neither any of us can lie to say, no, I made Edgar Lungu. Some of those who have been pompous to think that, no, we installed Edgar Lungu, I mean, you are just cheating yourself. Edgar Lungu has really been put where he is by God. It is not because of nothing. It is only God that put Edgar Lungu there. But the cartel has always been fighting. Vamusa mwenye valinu fighting Edgar Lungu, criticizing even things that do not make sense. They criticize because it's part of the cartel. Vale ya wino, vale umfawino. Avena Musa mwenye vale umfawino. During the time of Mwanawasa, during the time of Sata, vale umfawino, they were enjoying themselves. But Edgar Lungu came and changed the things. And they are not happy. They are not happy. They are not happy. So John Sangwa is not being motivated by anything. He's just missing in a malaria, munshta ya kwasata. And they want to go back there. That's what they want. That's what they want. They are not fighting for people. Abantu aba echo balefuwa ya. Kulya wino valeria wino mubuteko. They want to get back to that life. Things are not working. Things are not working for them. Now they want to get back. Vamona wakwata malone. Va John Sangwa walikwata malone. And he wants a government that will be sympathetic with him. A government that will forget about it. Utumaloni wakwata ku DBZ. That's why tabaremfo ila Edgar Lungu. John Sangwa is trying to protect his interests. Alikwata maloni. He doesn't want those loans. You know, because they even almost wanted to foreclose. They were in court, something like that, if they are not still in court. That's why he's fighting. So, apapali insamushi, abantu wale fokulia wino. They want to have their way. And that's why they are coming up with all these things of Edgar Lungu is not eligible. They would rather have any other person than Edgar Lungu, because Edgar Lungu has made their lives difficult. In Congolese wale Congola, they cannot just walk in and borrow money without even putting ama sureties. They can't. And they are being asked to pay back in Congole backward. So they are not happy. It's not that, no, the constitution, nothing. That's what they want. That's what they are fighting for. That's why they don't want Edgar Lungu. But you know, Vapomonga is right. Vapomonga is right. Vapomonga is saying some judges, it's true. It is true some judges are corrupt. Not all judges. Not all judges. Me, I believe in our judicial system, but it's true. Some judges are corrupt. Laz has come in, you know, issuing a statement. Laz is part of the cartel. Laz is part of the cartel. Laz has been part of the cartel. Avena Linda Kasonde, they are part of the cartel. Laz is part of the cartel. That's why they are more excited to comment the negatives on government, and they don't talk negatives when HH says something. How many times has HH called judges corrupt? How many times? And how many times has Laz come out to criticize Hakainde Hichilema? But Paul Monga is saying the truth here. Paul Monga is saying the truth to say some judges, they are corrupt. And he's saying, we are watching you. And it's true. Let's not beat about the bush. So Laz, don't be overexcited. We know you are part of the cartel. You are part of the cartel. It's a fact. We are not saying judges should not adjudicate. We are saying let them adjudicate, but let them be genuine. Let them be just and not to be influenced by their own interests or the bribes that they may receive. They shouldn't do that. This issue, we know, like I've said, it's a non-issue. This issue of eligibility was concluded. It was concluded. Why is John Sangwa entertaining it? Why? Of course, it's because he wants to life to be protected. And of course, we know there are some judges. We know them. We know some judges who are on the side of Hakainde Hichilema. We know. We know there are some judges who are on the side of Hakainde Hichilema. I'm not saying Hakainde Hichilema is bad. I mean, I'm not saying that. But what we are saying is that they shouldn't be political. That is the point. The point is that they shouldn't be political. They shouldn't judge, because they want Hakainde Hichilema. They should look at the merits of the cases that are before them. That is the point. And there is nothing wrong in Paul Monga bringing out this. There is nothing wrong. I don't know Paul Monga. I've never even spoken to him. But I've read. I don't even know what she was talking about. I don't know what she was talking about to condemn Paul Monga. I don't know. I don't see where it is wrong when somebody says, some of you, we know you are prone to be corrupted. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong in that. Paul Monga has not said this judge and that judge and that judge have gotten money from the opposition. Paul Monga has not said that. He's simply warning. He's simply raising an alert that we know that some of you are susceptible to being corrupted or to act in a certain manner following your political inclinations. That is normal. There's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with that. So, issue eligibility here. There is nothing there. This issue has been concluded. The judgment is there. Very good judgment. A very good judgment. Why is John Sangwa still talking about it? Yes, he's talking about it because John Sangwa, he wants to supplement or to finance his life, his luxurious life. That's what he wants to supplement. That's what he wants to finance. Things are not okay because of Edgar Chagwa Lungu. So don't be misled. Sangwa is doing this because alefwaya ama loan yako ya kuma banki akwata so that yak ekalipila. He's in problems na malone. Muka muipushe John Sangwa ngatakwe tamalone ku DBZ. Muipushe John Sangwa ngatakwe amalone ku DBZ. Takwe tama problem. Muipushe, he will tell you. And that's why he doesn't want Edgar Chagwa Lungu. They have been fighting Edgar Chagwa Lungu because they want to take advantage. And this is not right. That issue is foregone. Concluded. It's done. If it will come before the judges, let the judges do their job. We are not saying they should not adjudicate. No, let them judge correctly and not to follow, bribes or political inclination. On that one, me, I support Paul Monga. I think I'm not going to talk too much, and Ninda Ndasana already parif. Naya, let me go and do other things. Have a good day. Edgar Changwalangu is eligible.